Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, BROTHER MFC printer, and now I'm going to show you how to update your firmware on this device. Firstly, you should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So if you're connected here, you will see the Wi-Fi logo, light in blue color, and it means that you're connected. Then open settings, scroll down and find machines info. Open it, scroll down, here you will see firmware update, click on it, wait a while, and as you can see, new firmware is available. Do you want to update the firmware? Click yes, so press the right button. Updating needs internet access and will take some time. Do not turn off the device. I consent to my device data being sent. Okay, and here is the updating agreements. Read it, click right. If no password is set, use the default password. Press the right button. And here is the most important and interesting part of this video. So how to check the broader default password. So here, on the reverse of your device, on this sticker, wait a while, I should focus on it. On this sticker, you will have your machine's serial number and the password. And when you will write this password on your printer, you will update your device. Without this password, you can't do it. Okay? So hope this video was helpful for you. As you can see, here is the password. Here is the password. In my case, it's EP uppercase, then smaller case A, divider percent RHM. In your case, it will be different password. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.